Hello, I'm Frédéric Auger and I am Chief Surveyor and expert in geodesy and positioning for TotalEnergies. As such, I supervise all positioning operations involving GNSS for our exploration and production activities around the world. I'm also the chairman of the Geomatics Committee of the IUGP, which is the International Association of Oil and Gas Producers. The Geomatics Committee includes all my counterparts from other operators like BP, Shell or Exxon. This role of chairman is covered alternatively by one of us for 3 years. Geomatics is a combined discipline of survey and positioning and geospatial data management and provide accurate positioning and mapping support across the full oil and gas life cycle. Total has very recently changed its name to TotalEnergies in order to affirm our identity as a broad energy company and confirm our ambition to be a major player in the energy transition on the road to net zero. While TotalEnergies will sell more and more electricity in the next decades, we will still develop oil and gas fields in order to help meet global energy demand while reducing greenhouse gas emissions associated with the production of hydrocarbons. In order to ensure the coherence of its business with the challenges posed by climate change, exploration and production targets low cost, low break-even, and low carbon oil projects, while continuing to expand its natural gas production. Most of these projects are offshore and mainly deep offshore. For each project, we need a precise positioning for the drilling, but also for the installation of floating or fixed production units, as well as for the production units which are installed on the seabed. Interesting to note that offshore wind farms, for instance, will also require precise positioning, so that our activity will also develop with TotalEnergies' new ambition. First of all, you need to understand that an error in the definition of the geodesy and in the validation of the coordinate can have a significant financial impact, several millions of euros in the case of a drilling or a seismic, for example, as well as consequences related to safety and to the environment, example of shallow gas not frozen in the case of an error in well location, or pollution and risk of major accident in the case of the installation of a jacket above a pipe in production. My main mission is to provide expertise in geodesy and positioning for all operations at exploration and production, but soon for other energies such as wind farm, for example. The mission are as varied as the installation of geodetic networks on land or at sea, marine or land seismic acquisition, drilling installations, installation of platform or underwater structure, underwater metrology by deep sea. Beyond these operational aspects, the expert is also in charge of keeping up to date our technical referential and to evaluate our requests for deviation from our general specification. In charge also of the technological watch on developments in positioning, topography, and geodesy. In particular, the problem of positioning in ultra-deep, from 3,000 to 6,000 meters. The challenge will be to find innovative solutions to guarantee metric precision at such depths. Also, the advantage of using multi-constellation satellite positioning systems, such as GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou. Independence from the American GPS and the Russian GLONASS system is a major issue. Also in charge of taking into account dynamic coordinate system, which will be increasingly used and imposed by national authorities. Contribution to the move towards digital by improving techniques for the acquisition and processing of 3D data by laser scanner or photogrammetry. I'm in charge also to monitor the R&D programs, allowing the development of the level of expertise of the specialty. And finally, representation of TotalEnergies within professional associations or national and international congresses and conferences. I am the company's representative in the GeoPost Commission of the CNIG, Conseil National de l'Information Géographique, and as explained earlier, in the Geomatics Committee of the IOGP. There are two different use cases. The first one is horizontal. We need to position the jacket with an accuracy of few centimeters because it can be used as a starting point for production drilling, and therefore it is important to know the position of the wellhead with the best possible accuracy. It can be interconnected with other platforms by gateways. It can be also connected to export pipeline. The second use case is vertical, to monitor the subsidence of the platform. Indeed, the extraction of hydrocarbons from a reservoir causes a decrease in pressure. This drop in pressure will be directly transferred to the surface through the forces exerted on the geological layers and which will therefore produce a deformation. The latter will depend on the geometrical characteristic of the rock and the geology of the area. Knowing that this deformation causes both vertical and horizontal movements, it is therefore necessary to measure it. For the horizontal part, few centimeters in real time are needed. For the subsidence, the vertical accuracy requested is about few centimeters in real time and could reach few millimeters in post-processing. GeoFlex has demonstrated the capabilities to monitor the position of the jacket with the GeoFlex CNES PPP, Precise Point Positioning technology in real time, with an accuracy of 2.7 cm, 3.8 cm, and 5.5 cm, respectively in east, north, and up components, with a confidence level of 95%. They also demonstrated that using pseudostatic algorithm with observation session of 2, 4, and 24 hours, it is possible to confirm the subsidence, or vertical displacement, in near real time with an accuracy of respectively 3.9 cm, 2.5 cm for 4 hours, and 8 mm for 24 hours measurement with a confidence level of 95%. We have demonstrated also that even the vibration due to the strong wind we may face in North Sea could be measured thanks to the processing proposed by GeoFlex. The GeoFlex team has been very proactive and professional. It is clear that when you discuss with them, you face experts on positioning and GNSS. I learned a lot during our collaboration. I have organized a workshop with my colleagues in our affiliates to present the solution proposed by GeoFlex because I'm convinced that their real-time PPP solution, for example, could help us to optimize the cost of our operation offshore. To conclude, I can say that I'm very satisfied with our past collaboration and look forward to working with them in the future.